Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. This kitty is laying on the back of a couch, sofa, love seat, whatever you want to call it. I just want to capture how the kitty's kind of sprawled out across the top, legs hanging over. I'm going 4 times the speed and voicing over. Just getting the shapes in. Just want to make sure kitty fits into the back of the couch there. Gotta get those lines in there to help me place the eyes. Often when I'm doing my videos, when I'm watching them again to do the voiceover, I realize at a certain point that I should have left it right there. Just all part of drawing. Just growing and learning. I love to hear from you, so please do drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. Help us build this awesome community of crazy cat artists. Or come and join our Facebook group. You'll find the link for that in the video description below. Curve that tail up a little bit, give it a bit of interest. The tail can help lead the eye back towards the face, the viewer's eye, that is. Mucked with the eyes a little. Sometimes I over muck. Nobody's immune to it. We're always growing as artists. That's why it's so good for us. Keeps our brains young. Keeps our minds off other things they shouldn't be on. It's really a lot of refining now. And I'm going to speed up to 8 times the speed right away here. And get this drawing finished. Yeah, one eye was really standing out a lot more. I do have the cat looking in a different direction. Mostly because the forehead ended up higher than in the photo, but that's okay. I just work with it. I like to let my cats become what they become. If you spend too much time on correcting and making it look exactly like the photo, that's when you really lose the life and the spontaneity look of it. Lose the beautiful impressionistic look. So be careful what you correct. There's some things you gotta correct, and erasers are great. They're just as handy of a drawing tool as pencils are. And sometimes they're good just for toning things down a bit rather than getting rid of them completely. Yeah, too much. Those lovely whiskers. I've slowed down to only 2 times the speed here now to help you see what I'm doing a little easier. The final touches. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time.